Morning, folks. There are some really shitty people in this world. And I ran the giveaway yesterday. I announced the two winners who I'm sending 2 free drones to. And upon announcing the winners, of course, those winners need to contact me to claim their prize. And normally this goes very smoothly. But I received an email from somebody, and I was expecting it to be our first winner, Christian Gonzalez. The email reads, "I am Christian Gonzalez. I am commented on your video, won it. I am so excited. Thank you, Droning On. I've been a great subscribe by liking your videos." So I thought, okay, that sounds good. But then I looked at the name of the email account that it came from, and it's definitely not Christian Gonzalez. It's Tobo Nation. And I recalled seeing that YouTube channel name in the live chat during the premiere where I announced the winners. So I thought this sounds suspicious. So I replied and I said, well, it looks like you might have entered from 2 channels, which is naughty. And we don't allow that. You know, one person with 2 YouTube channels entering twice. So I said, and this is the verification I always do. And if you guys run giveaways, I recommend you do the same. Via email, I give the person a keyword, a code, and I ask them to comment with that code on the original channel that was selected as the winner. And of course, by doing so, I can see whether that's the real account or not, because if it's a real account commenting, it will be highlighted in the comments thread on that video on their channel. So I asked them to comment, and they went and commented, but they commented with this second account, not with the Christian Gonzalez account. So I said, well, you've not commented with the right account. His reply was then, oh, well, that's because I have lost track of my Gmail account, which I made. So is there any way of me redeeming this via this other account? And immediately I was suspicious, because that pretty much proves that he's not a real claimant. Isn't that sad? Isn't that depressing that somebody would deprive another of their prize, of their drone that they are so excited to receive? Because just after that, about an hour later, I had an email from the real Christian Gonzalez, and well done again, by the way, to you. And his email just made me smile, because he is so excited to get this, one of his first drones, and you know, it made his day waking up to see that he'd won it. And for this piece of shit to try and claim his drone on behalf of somebody else, makes me furious. Well, as a bit of karma, in the video description below is the email address of the false claimant, also his YouTube channel. So feel free to drop him an email, subscribe into some junk, and to comment all over his YouTube channel with just what you think of this individual for trying to claim somebody else's giveaway prize. I'm so angry, I'm shaking. That's why the phone is wobbling despite the image stabilization. I just can't believe there's such despicable people in this world. Anyway, shame on you, Tobo Nation, or whatever your real name is. I've got your address as well, because I played along with you for a while and I asked for your address as well, which I've got, and I'm tempted to post that in the video description as well. But I won't, because I don't know whether it's really your address, and I wouldn't want anybody sending a dog turd to your mother's address. Anyway, that's enough of that rant. Many more giveaways coming soon, and breaking drone news. Hopefully breaking legs as well from people like this. Have a good day, folks.